Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get QR code and Flipgrid in order to learn how to question the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open your web browser and log into your Flipgrid account like you normally do. Once you're logged in, and you're inside a discussion on Flipgrid. If you want to find a QR code of a certain topic, you can click on A1 topic from the titles, and this should open up your topic as a whole. The QR codes are the perfect way to show students voice off the grid printed video. Unique QR code from an educator dashboard and attached to a paper project or Canvas display. If you want to print the QR codes from the responses on your Flipgrid, it can be a response from your teacher, from the students, or anyone. From this page at the bottom you'll be able to see an option that says print QR codes or get on, and on the new tab you'll be able to see your QR codes for each response videos that has been created on a certain topic. You can simply print your QR codes. And when you do that, from the login page, you can simply scan the QR code of the topics that you printed out by clicking on this QR code option. Now simply replace the QR code in the camera screen and you'll be able to find the video topics, and your students' or your teacher's responses come alive. That is how you can find your QR code on Flipgrid. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.